Hi, I'm Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your wireless router securely. Let's go to our computer. I'm currently connected wirelessly to my router. We're going to open up our Internet Explorer browser, and we're going to open up the administration access to our router by typing in the IP address of the router, which by default will be 192.168.1.1. Now, if this is a new router that you've set up, you're going to want to look at the manufacturer's directions as to what the username and password will be. On a Linksys router, it'll usually be admin and admin. Now, what we're going to want to do is go to the wireless tab here, and then click on wireless security. This allows you to choose a security mode for your wireless access provider, your access point. And WEP is sort of the older method that is used, but it's also the one that most devices, including phones, PDAs, and pretty much every new laptop is capable of doing WEP encryption. So that's what I typically go with for mine. There are more advanced modes, these WPA modes, which if you're only going to be using a laptop to get onto your wireless router, I'd suggest you go with those. So I'm just going to choose WEP. In every case, you're going to have to give some kind of passphrase or a key code, and you can actually have that generated if you typed in a phrase here, if you didn't want to type in the letters and numbers yourself. And then you can click Generate, and that'll create WEP key codes for you. Now what you're going to want to do after you generate those key codes, I already have one here, is you're going to want to write that down because you won't be able to access your wireless router without that code. So keep this code in mind and written down somewhere where you won't forget it, because you'll lose access and you'll have to plug into the router directly to change it. Now just save your settings after turning on your either WEP or WPA security mode. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to the Administration tab, and I'm going to want to change the administrator password on my router. Now as you can see, it has that default password in there. I'm just going to type in a new password. This will allow anybody who does happen to get onto the network from changing your router settings. Click Save Settings from there. I've just shown you how to securely configure your new wireless router. I'm Dave Andrews, and I've just shown you how to set up your wireless router securely.